Hey there, so today we're going to go over some tips on caring for your tires and what to do if your tire light comes on and just some general housekeeping. So number one is going to be always ensuring you have the proper tire pressure. With the newer vehicles, you have tire pressure monitoring systems and tire pressure monitoring sensors that sound complicated, but basically they're going to tell you if one of your tires is low. If you suspect that one of your tires is low or the lights come on, the first step is always to check the pressure yourself. If you have a tire gauge available, or if you're nearby a gas station, or even a nearby Honda dealership, you can always drive into the drive and we will check the pressures for you, top it up if needed. If you do have a low tire, it is always good to note what tire is low so that you can let us know when you come to have it repaired. And if you're filling it up at the gas station, always make sure that you are checking the rating guide inside the driver's door frame, and that's going to tell you exactly how much to fill your tire. Every tire has a rating on it, but we do not want to fill it up to the max rating, as then this becomes unsafe. So you always want to look inside that driver's door frame for the sticker, and it will tell you exactly how much to fill the front and rear tires. If they're going to be different, it will say that as well. So when it comes to rotating your tires, we do this to ensure an even wear on the tire and that you always have the most tread on your traction tires, so your driving tires. It is recommended that you do this roughly every 16 to 20,000 kilometers or every other service that you come in for. What we're doing when we rotate the tires is we're taking them off, we're inspecting the tires and the rims, we're putting, like I said, the tires with the most tread on the front and ensuring that we always get an even wear. So I want to make a note about mix matching your tires. If we have a tire that gets damaged, it would be really nice if we could just replace that one tire. Sometimes we want to go with a more affordable option. However, the number one key thing when replacing a tire is always making sure that it matches the rest of the tires on your vehicle. This is important because it affects the safety and traction control of the vehicle when you're driving, especially if they're one of your driving wheels, either front or rear, depending on your vehicle. Having a different tread pattern can create uneven traction on the road. On the front, this can affect how your vehicle steers. On the back, this could affect how you have traction and could cause fishtailing, which wouldn't be very good. So when it comes to what type of tire you're buying, the season and model of the tire is very important. So you've got all-weather and all-season tires. As much as these sound alike, there is differences between them. You've got summer tires and even mud tires as well. Now, the biggest question we get asked is, what is the right winter tire and why is a winter tire important? Tires designed for winter have a different composition of rubber designed to freeze at a much, much lower temperature, therefore giving you constant traction when you've got ice and snow. Tires designed for the summer freeze much easier and faster, and therefore don't give you a safe traction when you're driving on ice and snow, and this is one of the biggest differences between the two. So the bonus tip I want to give you is don't overspend on tires. It's great to shop around. However, here at Murray Honda, we will always price match another tire shop's price on the tires. You just have to bring a comparing quote or invoice so we can take a look at it. And we will always match your vehicle up with the right tire and, of course, your desires and needs. And we can even set you up with a nice pair of rims if you like. So that's our video for this week. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions regarding tires or what would be right for your vehicle, please comment below, or you can give us a call anytime. And please tune in next week for our next video.